Hi, I'm Grayson.
I'm Kimberly.
Welcome to the Showroom Show.
Where we sit in a vehicle in the showroom. However,
Not today.
not today.
Today we're outside hitting the road.
What are we in, Grace?
We're in a 2022 Acura MDX Type S.
This is my new favorite vehicle on the lot.
Yeah, so this car is as loaded gets for a Honda / Acura. And very, very, I don't know what, it leaves me quite literally speechless. It's like for an SUV, I've never felt something like this before. It just, every way that you think it can blow your mind, it does it that and then on top.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you got to tell me all the super special things. I just want to check it out, play around a little bit.
Play around a little bit.
What's dynamic mode? Is that going to turn your...
So you can change like how the car's going to handle and drive, and it's also going to change how the car is sitting. So if you can feel right now, it has air ride suspension. So do you feel the car lifting or lowering?
I do.
It's weird, but it has air ride.
Air ride.
Yeah. So basically the car will inflate its airbags and raise you up off the ground. If you put it into like sport mode, it'll lower it down, give it a lower center of gravity. Like I said, this thing has been blowing me away every time I turn around. I'm like, holy.
Okay, well, you know what's blowing me away right now?
What is it, Kim?
My seat. Grayson turned on the massaging button here.
The massage seats. Like I said, it's crazy.
Okay, I'll say I have been in several cars, many cars, that have had massaging seats, okay?
Yeah.
Was not impressed. I'm like, could have done without that.
Yeah, I will say.
But I can really feel this one.
Yeah, it's good. And it has 3 different settings, and like it actually does stuff, and yeah, it's nice. It's yeah, and then like for me, the big part of this is the engine.
The engine?
The engine. So it's
What's the engine?
It's a 3-liter twin scroll J series engine.
What's that mean, Grayson?
Means it's
fast?
Means it's really fast for an SUV.
Okay.
Really cool as well. So it's a 3-liter twin scroll turbo. 355 horsepower, and she scoots.
She scoots.
She scoots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what? How many horsepower?
355.
Okay. What would that be in like? Give me a CRV. How many horsepower?
I think a CRV is like 190.
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
So we're talking.
Yeah.
Faster.
Fast. Well, a Pilot, which would be comparable to this, is 285.
Right, a Pilot, because this is 3 rows.
3 rows deep.
I forgot about that. How
Oh
big
my
is
God.
that 3rd row? Yeah, I'm gonna go check.
It's
Hold
quite
on.
big.
Is it an easy? Oh, it's a button.
It's a button.
It's a button, Grace.
Oh yeah, we're fancy around here.
Okay.
Got space back there, Kim?
I do.
That's nice.
I do. Oh, and look, I got lights.
Lights back there, USB chargers. Got everything.
I mean, if you were preparing to sit back here, I would scooch this up a bit, but...
Yeah, and like you can put them forward too.
Oh!
Yeah. So
Tons of room.
You got space.
And you know what's cool?
Yeah.
It's a push to exit.
Push to exit.
Push to exit. So I'm gonna... And I got a cup holder, and I have a charger port back. I don't mind it back here at all, Grace.
It's not bad.
Oh, and look, the speakers are right here.
Yeah.
It must be real loud.
I forget how many speakers are in this thing, but like it's an insane amount.
Okay, let me see the exit.
Nice and easy.
Hey, what's that? It says camera.
Camera. So this has cameras all the way around it. So you have a 360, your front cameras, and then you even have.
You can push it at any time.
Yeah, and you can open up all the cameras. You can see where the wheels are, so you'll never curb your tires. And with these, you do not want to curb your tires.
Grayson, the brakes are red and look big.
Red and big, eh?
Red and big.
What does that mean? They're Brembos.
Brembos.
So, like, it's a sport performance car, but it's also a luxury car. So, right down to the brakes. I can't remember exactly how big they were, but they're big. I think they're 6-piston Brembo brakes. Like,
They look huge.
heavy duty.
They look impressive, is what
Yeah.
they look like.
The
I like
system.
the screen.
Yep. Screen's nice. You know, very easy to navigate. You have the cabin talk, so say if you have people in your third row.
Oh yeah, I was gonna ask that because I was back there. You feel pretty far back.
So like all the way in the back, like if I turn this all the way up, it's hard to hear.
Oh, I can hear it. I can hear
it.
I was gonna ask you that when I was back there.
Yeah, like when you're back there, you can turn it up all the way. It's really nice. But yeah, it's a super, super nice vehicle. And the drive on it is it's so smooth. Got your chargers, wireless charger up here.
That's a
all the generic stuff. Heated and cooled seats.
Yeah, I was gonna say they're cooled too. We don't need that today. It's freezing.
Yeah, and that's it.
Freezing today. I love this red.
The red interior.
Grayson, I'm a sucker for a couple things in an interior. Okay.
Yeah.
I love a wood steering wheel.
Yeah.
Love one.
Love a wood steering wheel.
Love a wood steering wheel. I love a brown interior.
Oh, okay.
And I love a red interior.
I like red interiors.
I love red interiors.
And flat bottom steering wheels.
And flat bottom. That's what you got.
That's what we got.
Because that's like a race car?
It's a race car thing.
Yeah.
I don't know how race car-y it really is, but I don't know. Something about flat bottom steering wheel makes you feel like you're in something special.
I feel like I'm in something special right now.
Yeah. Sound system is honestly what's kind of blown me away the most. 25 speakers. It
Crank it. Crank it,
Grace.
Grace.
What do you want to play, Kim?
I don't know. Something fun. What's on? Lady Gaga.
Lady Gaga?
No
Just
thanks.
Dance? No.
What do we have? What is this that you're on? Apple CarPlay?
We're on Apple CarPlay, which is wireless.
And is there Android Auto for the Android people?
There is Android Auto for the Android people. That's only a 27. It's loud.
Oh, that'd be so nice for the summer.
Crystal clear.
Crystal clear.
Crystal clear.
Whoa!
I would love to just drive down the road, sunroof open, windows down.
Like summertime.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Just flying.
Oh, yeah.
But, yeah, it's got everything.
Grace, I love this car.
Yeah, so do I. But I'm not ready for the mature grown-up car yet.
What do you mean? But you just said it's like a race car.
But it's also a mature person car.
A mature, like...
Because it's an SUV.
Because it's an SUV? Really? Okay, I'm going to see.
So, like, we got the sunroof, got the sunshade, got everything.
Yeah.
And then when you open it up... So, Hondas have this really cool thing.
Okay.
Because they over-engineer stuff. Mm-hmm. So, it goes to this setting. At this point, it doesn't have the woo-woo noise. But, say if you wanted to...
The woo-woo? What are you talking about?
You know when you, like, roll down one window in the rear?
Oh, yeah.
It does the...
Yeah.
So, at this point, it won't do that. But...
Oh, you can go back there.
You can keep going.
I was going to say, I want that open more.
Yeah, you can open it right up.
See? Give me a big sunroof instead of a Wrangler, Grace.
I do not like Wrangler. Okay, I know I said it in like our first podcast.
I know.
It's like, I feel like Aladdin. Just flying that magic carpet down the highway. They're so bad. Oh my God.
But you know what's not bad is this Acura.
Oh my God. It handles so well. Like for an SUV, you expect like some body roll or something. No.
Okay, well, let's buckle up.
We're going for a drive?
I want to drive. Yeah, you drive.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
We're on the road.
We're on the road. Here we go.
On the road. Here we go. Got all
wait. So because it's the air suspension.
Yeah.
Is that making it a more comfortable drive? Like, would you notice a difference going from, like, say you had this vehicle in like a normal suspension and then the air ride? If I got into each one of them, would I notice the difference?
100%.
Okay.
Air ride.
It's not just for lifting and lowering.
No.
Okay.
You could feel a big difference. So right now we're in Sport, which is going to make it more bouncy. But like, let's go.
Oh, you can do that just as we're driving?
Oh yeah. You'll feel. Do you feel it more? Do you feel that?
Yeah, I do actually.
I noticed it right away.
I mean, you probably notice it more because you're driving.
Yeah, like it went from like not.
And I also have my massagers on, so I'm kind of like into that.
A lot going on.
Yeah, I got a lot going on right now.
Yeah, but it has all the Honda safety sensing too, which is huge. So you have your blind spot monitor, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. It's got the stuff.
It's got the stuff. It's got the right stuff.
It's got all the right stuff.
Look at that. That's cool with the red.
The Type S key.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
Has a what?
It has the 10-speed automatic transmission, so just like when you put it into sport mode and not to say step on it, but like you give it a little, it's gonna shift very quickly and go quite fast.
Huh.
But
Could you tow with this car?
yep. Yeah, so it already has a tow hitch on it. I believe you could do 5,000 pounds, but I would not want to put my reputation on the line for that. I'll be honest. Because it might be different with it being air ride suspension and being a different engine. So.
Right.
But it does have a tow hitch, so it can tow. I do know that.
Okay.
If it wasn't for the fact that I don't want to get an SUV until I have to get an SUV, it would be a very...
Why are you so against an SUV?
It's for me, it's like a backhoe.
A backhoe?
It's a bad reference, but it's like a backhoe.
What do you mean? What's a
So,
backhoe?
you know the tractors that have like the thing on the back?
Like that's what you're saying?
Yeah, so it's not quite an excavator, and it's not quite a front end loader. It does both kind of well.
Oh my god.
It doesn't do either one great. It just does both of them kind of well.
Grayson, I love SUVs.
I know a lot of people do.
I've only ever driven an SUV.
Really?
My first car was a Pathfinder.
Kim, we gotta get you into a fun little sports car. What I think is really cool about this
What?
is that you have memory seats on the passenger side as well. That's cool.
That is cool.
The fact that, like...
Do you want to see how this person sat? Let's see.
You're about to get folded into a taco, Kim. Just...
Grayson.
No. Okay, that's jokes, right?
I don't know.
There's no way someone's sitting in a car like that. You're literally laying down.
I guess this is like road trip mode.
Road trip mode. When I get to the point of like needing an SUV, Kim.
Yeah, this
is
will
what
be
I
it.
want. This is what I want. It's one of those cars that, like, I feel like if you don't know what it is, you're not gonna be blown away by it, just another SUV. But if you know what it is, it's like, that's cool. You know what I mean?
No,
No?
I don't know what you mean. What do you mean?
Like if you were more into cars,
Oh yeah, like so
Like,
you understood the engine. You
understood what it was.
Yeah,
It's like that's
okay.
a cool car.
Yeah.
That's a big bump that normally like rocks me on test drives.
No way.
That was
Oh, I didn't even feel it.
yeah. You noticed that? That was
What?
one of the commercial vehicles that we sold.
No way.
Yeah.
Actually?
Actually, it had a Midland Honda frame on it.
Ha!
That's cool.
That is cool.
See a commercial vehicle out in the wild. By the way,
Out in the wild.
out in the wild. By the way, if you have a small business, we have crazy deals going on our commercial units right now.
Oh my gosh.
$5,000 off.
$5,000.
$5,000 off, and you can commercial lease it, have it as a total write-off, and with a $1 buyback. Oh my God, great opportunity.
Great opportunity.
Great opportunity.
Great deal.
Great deals. Double loyalty on Honda loans right now for new vehicles.
Okay,
We
I
got
was going to
stuff
ask
going on.
that. Okay, because we're in an Acura, if somebody came from like the Honda, like say they had a CRV,
Yeah.
would they get the loyalty if they bought an Acura?
Yes. If I'm not mistaken, yes, because I know you can come from an Acura loan into a Honda loan. As long as you're financed with Acura Canada,
Yeah.
you should be able to get your loyalty going into a Honda, so I would assume it's the same going the other way. But if you're going to do that, we can set you up with Acuras, brand new at Midland Honda.
So you could buy a brand new MDX. What is this
Type
again?
S.
Type S. I keep
From Midland
forgetting.
Honda if you want to.
Wow.
Sport mode. Sport Plus. That was like just barely rolling onto it, Kim. Like
No way.
it's a fast vehicle.
Oh my gosh.
Like it's one of those cars that like puts a smile on your face.
Yeah.
I don't know. We're just blown away by it. And like so it's a turbo engine, which normally turbo engines take a little bit to kind of wind up and get going.
Yeah.
To get the spool and build boost.
Okay.
This is a twin scroll. It builds boost like that.
Instant.
As soon as you step on it, just goes. There's only like a few cars like when I drive them that like really put a smile on my face.
You
This
get
is
pumped
one.
up.
I bet you didn't know this. The side
What?
bolstering, so you can set this up to be, they're not bucket seats, but basically bucket seats. So you can fold in the sides, you can adjust your lumbar, you can adjust kind of how far
In what?
you're,
On my buttons?
on your buttons on the side, yeah.
Oh, on there, on the screen?
It'll show you on the screen what you're doing. Yeah.
Oh.
So you can
Really?
do everything in this car on the passenger side that you can on the driver's side.
Well, I gotta tell ya.
Got
The passenger is sometimes the most important person in the car.
Yeah. But
All right,
overall
Chris.
thoughts, Kim?
Love it. Love it.
I really like this car.
I think you should sell it.
I would love to. If you're interested in a beautiful 2022 MDX Type S, reach out to Grayson Garrett or Kim.
Technically, I can sell a car.
You have your own bike.
I have my own. I have I have a license to sell.
License to sell motor vehicles.
Yeah. But no.
Yeah.
Call Grace.
If you're interested in 22 MDX Type S, looking to be the hottest mom on the planet.
Or dad.
Or dad.
Or dad.
Reach out to Grayson Garrett, and we'll see you next week.
In Kia Forte, baby.
2012 Kia Forte. Kim's driving. Right on.
Bye.
See you next time.